Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we're going to go over our letter A. Let me get my pen ready. We're going to go over our letter A, okay? Remember, A was for our apple, and when we bite into our apple, there was a worm in it, and we said, ah! All right, A says, ah, ah, ah. All right, so let's look at all of these pictures, and we're going to circle the ones that have ah at the beginning, at the very front, the very first sound that we hear. If we hear ah, we're going to circle it. All right, our first picture is an apple. Do you hear ah at the beginning of apple? I do. Let's circle it. Good job. Next, I see a pig. Pig. Do you hear ah in pig? No. What about this bottom one? Alligator. Alligator. Do you hear ah in alligator? Yes. Good job. Circle, or I'm going to circle him. All right. Next, we have the picture of an astronaut. Ah. Do you hear ah at the beginning of astronaut? Yes. So I'm gonna circle him. All right. Next we have a picture of a dog. Dog. Do you hear ah at the beginning of dog? No. So we're not gonna circle the dog. What about pickle? Pickle. Do you hear ah at the beginning of pickle? No. So we are not going to circle that. So we have apple, alligator, and astronaut. All right, guys, look around your house for things that start with the sound.